Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial for you all, but this is something different. It's a quick makeup tutorial because I wanted to show you all that you can take the time each day to do your makeup and look put together without taking up a lot of time. For myself, I make sure that I do my makeup every day because that's my time, my moments of like self-care. That's my zen moments, my time to think and, you know, get my head together before I have to actually go get Harper ready for her day. You know, that is my me time, and I enjoy makeup. And I know there's some people who want to wear makeup and they just may not feel like they have the time. You know, I'm a mom, I work, so I understand your mornings, you want to get as much sleep as possible. So I want to give you a quick makeup routine. So I have everything that I'm going to use inside this little bag. All of my products fit in here. It won't zip up, I guess because the way I have it organized. But everything is in there. I'll list the exact products below and I'll just tell you what products you need, even if you don't get the brands that I use. So I have not tested this out. I was only going to do 10 minutes, but I was like, Nikea, you know how you are about your brows, girl. You got to make sure those are right. So I want to give myself an extra 5 minutes. So 15 minutes or less. Before we get into this video, I want you to go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. All right, let's get into this. Okay, bringing y'all in close so you can see what I'm doing with my face. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna start yet. I'm gonna show you all the products first, and then I'm going to start my timer. So I have for blush and, not for blush, I have for highlight, the Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating Bronzing Palette from BH Cosmetics, my LA Girl Setting Spray, my cream blush from Illuminate, Ashley Tisdale from BH Cosmetics. It's my Black Radiance pressed powder. I have my BB cream from Black Radiance. This is in the shade Honey Amber. I have my LA Girl concealer in Toffee. I have 4 shades from my Coastal Scents palette. This is Ocktoberfest. I have Chocolatier, Barista, and Burnished Wine. So I chose these colors because you can do a simple look and you can also like glam it up with these. I have my e.l.f. Kohl Liner. It's my Ray lip gloss in Rosie Raye. I have my Wet n Wild matte lipstick in Bare It All. My bodybuilding mascara from Black Radiant. My makeup sponge. Also have my pencil. I'm going to use this for my brows and my lips. This is Wet n Wild Kohl Eyeliner, and this is in the color Simma Brown now. And then I have my BH Liquid Eyeliner marker pen. And these are the brushes that I'm going to be using today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have my angle brushes, shadow brush, all over powder brush, buffing brush, blush brush. Oh, I have 9 brushes because I have my blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, and then my highlighter. All right, so those are my products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to lay everything out and have it ready because that's typically how I have stuff in my bathroom in the morning. I have it set up, ready to go so I don't have to look for stuff. And that's how you want to, you know, be organized when you are in your bathroom, wherever you do your makeup. So everything is out of the pouch. I have my timer here. I have it set to 15 minutes and I'll put it up on the screen. So I have my timer on 15 minutes as you can see, and I'm about to, I feel like I'm missing something. I'm freaking out. No, I am missing something. My spoolie brush. All right, so one more brush. I have to have this one, and it is my spoolie brush for my brows. All right, y'all, I'm so nervous. I bring y'all in close. We can do this. 15 minutes or less. All right, 15 minutes or less. Timer is starting. 15 minutes or less. Timer is starting now. As always, starting with my brows first. And I'm gonna try to go at like a normal speed, not try to like speed it up and be super fast. It's the typical speed I would go. All right, y'all know I always start with my brows first because they're most important. They frame your face. And what if like a fire starts while I'm doing my makeup? At least my brows will be done, right? All right, going in with my concealer. Harper, you gonna mess up my time. I got Harper in here while I'm recording and she's picking up everything and touching everything. Hopefully having Harper in here doesn't mess up my time because usually, you know, I'm in the bathroom by myself doing my makeup and I don't have to worry about her touching stuff. My concealer will be doing double duty today as a shadow base. See, I knew my eyebrow was gonna take me a long time. 11 minutes and 50 seconds left and I just finished my brows. All right, I'm gonna go in with my BB cream. And I chose to use BB cream, and I usually do this every day because a BB cream is all in one. It's like primer, foundation, moisturizer, all that. So it allows me to combine some steps. Had to pause the timer and deal with Harper. All right, so we're at 10:34. Can I do it, y'all? The reason why I wanted to record this is because I know that not everyone has 30 minutes or even 20 minutes in the morning. So I just want to show that it can be done. It is possible. Okay, now we're going to conceal. And I only do under my eyes during the week. I don't do like a full face highlight and contour situation. And I try to minimize like how many tools that I'm using because I know I'm obsessed with makeup brushes. So I tried to keep it simple. All right, time check, 8 minutes and 36 seconds left. Going back to add that extra product that was on the tube. And you see I'm just patting it in and blending it out. So now I feel like I'm racing against the clock because I did take a lot of time on my brows. But they're gonna be snatched. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using that fluffy brush. Remember, pat it into the skin, and then once you got it in there, then you can sweep across your face and that'll get rid of excess. Because if you just dust it onto the skin, it's not gonna stay up there. And I'm even gonna put this in the under eye area. All right, now I can go back and dust, get off any excess. Okay, now on to the eyes. So keeping it really simple. I did forget one brush, but luckily it's right here. This one for my transition color. This is Ocktoberfest. All right, got 6 minutes left and we are almost done. I promise. All right, then I'm gonna go in with Chocolatier. And I like this eyeshadow look because it's something that you can wear every day. Like it'll go with anything. And then I have another shade in here, Barista, which you can use if you don't want to go, you know, with the shimmer shades. I have Barista and I have Burnished Wine, and Burnished Wine is a shimmer shade. So today I'm going to use the Barista on my lid. So this is actually a color that is close to my complexion. All right, and I'm actually going to take Burnished Wine and using that same shadow brush and putting it in my tear duct as a little highlight. Yikes, I have 3 minutes left. Can it be done? All right, you can go with or without liner for this look, but I'm just gonna do a slight line on the lid. And I chose this liner because it's so easy to use. It's like user friendly. Wow, both wings came out good. Miracles!
Go.
All right, so I'm going to put on mascara. And I'm not gonna put any liner on my waterline. Gonna forego that today. 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Ah! All right, highlight. I'm gonna take this one from the palette. I just knew I was gonna have time left. But it's gonna be down to the wire. I still gotta fix my brows. And cheek tint, you don't need any tools for this, just your fingers. And then I did get this blush brush to kind of help blend it out. All right, let's fix these brows. Where's my brush at? Okay. Minute and 41 seconds. I should get some time back because Harper is in here and she was tripping. OMG. She was tripping. All right, for lips, I'm going to line them with the same pencil I use for my brows. If you don't use brown, get a brown pencil. All right, going in with the lipstick. I'm kind of blending those together. And then we're gonna top it off with the It's My Ray Ray lip gloss. 49 seconds. And I need to fix this blush situation. All right, setting spray. Woo! And we are done. Yes! 22 seconds left. 22 seconds left. 22 seconds left. 22 seconds left. All right. All right. Hey, hey, I did it. All right, so I feel like this look came out pretty good for less than 15 minutes. I do have 22 seconds left, so I'm gonna resume because I gotta fix these brows, honey. All right, so we're ending with 3 seconds. But it's done. Now I can go out the house and I'm ready to go to tackle the day. And if you wanted to make this a little more glam, you know, do like a soft glam, you could put the Burnished wine, that shimmer color, on your lid instead of using Barista or whatever nude tone that you have that matches your skin tone. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the look. My hair is just a mess. You know, it's really no style. I just took it out of a ponytail and put a headband on it. So here is your 15 minutes or less makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something and took some tips away from it that you can use to get ready quickly in the mornings or wherever you're trying to go. And so this is something you can even do in the car, honey, if you need to, okay? So 15 minutes or less, it is possible. So just take that little bit of time to show yourself some love, have some me time for yourself before you have to worry about anything else for the day, whether it's kids or family or boyfriend, husband, work, whatever you have to deal with in your life. Just take that time for you. So thank you for watching, beauties. I hope that you enjoyed it. Before you go, remember, go down below, click that subscribe button and click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. And I will definitely be seeing the next one, beauties. Bye. Bye.